Alright, here we go. Yeah, arrows. Arrows and diggers. Oh! We never got that before. I'm not sure if the green one's good or not. Let's see, we'll find out. $1. What's a monster? Come on, a monster. Not that great. Get us anything, but some more real estate. Drop a monster. Oh, a blue one. Oh yeah, there we go. What's this one? The red one's the one we want. I think the red one. $5 more. Where's the guys that dig? Maybe this one doesn't have that one. Yeah. Come on, trains. More trains. More trains. Trains and railroad crossings. Right there, last one. Hit it. Kind of weak, actually.